I don't usually talk about prop firms. I have avoided them really hard. Too many promises, too many hidden rules, too many shady practices. But then something happened. A new firm hit my radar. And at first, I was skeptical. But when I saw 1 hour payout, I had to dig deeper. What I found shocked me. This isn't just another prop firm trying to lure you in. This one is built differently, and I'm going to show you exactly why. Whether you have failed challenges, been burned before, or just want a real shot at trading capital, this might be the only firm worth your attention in 2025. In this video, I'm going to break everything down. Let's start with the biggest shocker: 1 hour payout. If you have ever traded with a prop firm, you know the pain of waiting days, sometimes even weeks, just to get your profit. You hit your target, you follow all the rules, and then silence. Delay after delay. But Hola Prime is changing that. They have built a system that processes your payout within 60 minutes of your request. No bottlenecks, no excuse, real profit paid to your preferred bank account. It's not just a claim, it's happening daily, and traders are already posting proof of how fast their withdrawals are. This is huge because fast payout don't just build trust. They prove a firm has actual liquidity and isn't playing games with your money. So let me show you their website and take a look at it. As you can see, their main selling point is the 1 hour payout prop firm. That's what they call themselves. So when you visit their website through the link in the description, you will get to this homepage, and this is what you see on the old homepage. And then on your right hand side, you see Carl Anthony Towns. Cat is a well-known professional basketballer. So what this means is that this firm does not just promise this. What it's saying is that they have liquidity to meet up whatever amount of profit you have made and willing to pay you within 1 hour. And using a face like Carl also shows transparency and partnering with big time influencers. So if there's one thing that stands apart, it is this 1 hour payout, and it made me to dig deeper. The second thing that set Hola Prime apart is their daily transparency report. Let's be honest, most prop firms operate in a black box. You have no idea if you are entering the trade at a fair price or if they have slipped you to err. Hola Prime flips that on its head. Every single day, they release a public report showing what price your trades were executed, comparing it with industry standards. It updates it daily, not weekly, not monthly, not quarterly, daily. This kind of transparency is unheard of in the industry. It shows they are not afraid to be held accountable, and they want you to see what's happening with real data. And let's be real, if your current firm isn't showing you that, you got to ask yourself why. Don't take my word for it. Let's jump to the website and let me show you. So yeah, on the website, when you go to holaprime.com/transparency report, you're going to see this. Transparency at the heart of everything. Let's be real, we want accountability. Trade fairly and reliably with our price transparency report. Track real customer feedback with our support transparency report. So if you scroll down, they went even further to explain what it is. What is price transparency report? At Hola Prime, we are committed to absolute transparency, and the price transparency report is the shining example of that. Every day we publish a detailed report that provides a tick-by-tick comparison of our price feed against a trusted market benchmark such as TradingView and brokers like Exness, FXCM, and Scopy. This means you can see exactly how our price line up with broader market, ensuring you are trading on fair and accurate pricing data. every single time. So if we won't go further, you are going to see what does this report offer. The first one is fair comparison. Compare price with top industry. Are you getting a better pricing compared to any other industry? This is something beautiful. I like it. And then you can review your SL and TP execution at the end of the day. Let's say you take a trade and you hit SL at a certain price. You can take note of that price and see what they report at the end of the day, if that was exactly the price that took you out or you were slipped to err. Another one is that zero price manipulation. They claim to have zero price manipulation. This is what I need in a prop firm. And if you know the famous My Forex fund, there were a lot of malpractices, manipulation. And then here, the last one here, you see tick by tick market comparison. This is something that I've never seen any prop firm do in the industry. So this is why I am committed fully to Hola Prime Forex prop firm. So you can see an example here. These are examples of their price report. You can see here category Forex, instrument is AUD. You can change it if you like to see the date and time. So when you check, you are going to see different prices, and this is a great data for you to go through. So this is lovely. Let's go to point number 3. Now this one surprised me. One-on-one coaching. The third point that makes me pick Hola Prime over any other prop firm is they offer one-on-one coaching. Now this one surprised me. One-on-one coaching from a prop firm. Most firms just give you a dashboard, a few rules, and throw you into the deep end. If you win, great. If you lose, too bad. No feedback, no guidance, no support. But Hola Prime actually invests in your growth as a trader. Once you are funded, you get access to real mentorship, not some recycled PDF or group call with 100 people. I'm talking about direct one-on-one sessions with experienced coaches who will help you review your trades, fix your psychology, improve your strategy, and scale up without blowing your account. It's like having a personal performance coach, and it's included. No other prop firm is doing this at scale, and it shows they're not just trying to make money off challenge fees. They actually want you to succeed long term. Most firms will not. Let's see on their website what they say about one-on-one coaching. So you can see here, when you go to their website, holaprime.com/coaching, you see a book one-on-one session. Get guidance to sharpen your skills from expert trading coaches. You can do that by joining their Discord. And these are their coaches. Yeah. Why choose a mentor? In this case, risk management mastery, real-time application, in-depth market analysis, and strategic refining. They just help you become a better trader. And we have this. We can book this now, or this, or Sam, anyone there. So pretty cool for me. As a beginner forex trader, you need one form of coaching or the other. All right, and this is something that is like an opener in the industry. Most prop firms want you to fail, but this one wants you to win, to become a better trader. Now let's go to the fourth reason why I think Hola Prime should be your prop firm of choice. This next point is a game changer, and this is a big one. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Hola Prime is actually regulated. Yes, you heard me right. They are regulated. They are licensed in Mauritius under a proper financial authority. That might not mean much at first glance, but here's the deal. Most prop firms that claims regulation just pick a random jurisdiction with zero oversight. If something goes wrong, your funds get delayed or the firm disappears. There's no one you can hold accountable. But with Hola Prime, there is a real structure behind the company. They have gone through the process to get licensed, to stay compliant, and to prove they are not just another short-lived hype project. Regulation doesn't just sound good. It is a layer of protection for you as a trader. And in this space, that peace of mind is priceless. So let me show you where I saw the fact that they are regulated on their website. And every company that is regulated will have to show it on their own page. So come, let me show you. If you go to their own page, this is how you know if a firm is regulated or not. Just scroll down to the last. Okay, scroll down to the last, and then you see this tiny write-up. Read it. Be it a broker, be it any financial company, they have to stipulate it there if they are regulated. So if you look at this, you can see there, number one, they told you the simulated trading operations are managed by Hola Prime. Okay, now this is what I want you to see. Hola Prime Limited, with company registration number this and registered office at 4th floor, Docks 4, the Docks, Cowden, Port Louis, Mauritius, is authorized and regulated by the Financial Services Commissions (FSC) of Mauritius as an investment dealer, full service dealer, excluding underwriting, under license number. Boom, this. There should be a license number. When a firm claims regulation, you can actually take this and then do your research and see if truly they are regulated or not. So this is what got my attention as well. Aside from the 1 hour payout, the fact that they are even taking steps to get regulated is something I give a thumbs up to. And that is why I'm putting myself forward to promote this prop firm. Transparency, 1 hour payout, regulation. Tell me which prop firm does that. Now let's take a look at what they offer in a nutshell. The industry first 1 hour payout prop firm. It's a bold claim. Get rewards on your demo trading, and you can start as low as $48 and you can scale up to, and you can get profit split of up to 95% reward, and then scale up to $4 million in trading capital. As you can see, in line with transparency, they've been featured on Forbes, Yahoo, MarketWatch, FX Empire, FX Max, FX Trade, Daily Forex, and so on and so forth. These are good to see. A prop firm going out there showcasing themselves and letting people know how genuine they are. So if we go down, what sets them apart? As you can see, get what's yours in 1 hour. Once you trade, you make profit. You can click withdraw, and within 1 hour, you get paid. This is a screenshot they put on their site for you to go through. 24/7 customer service or customer support. Real humans to help you. When you have any challenge, you don't understand one thing, you need clarity on something, just reach out to the support. And obviously, as you can see here, this should be where you can reach out, and then from there they can redirect you to real humans to handle your situation. Now you can share profit up to 95%, maximize your gains. All right, imagine you making maybe $1,000 there, $950 will be yours. That is so beautiful. Now, transparency report, as I said earlier, they show you daily transparency report to make you see how transparent they are. You can compare your entry price with what they report at the end of the day. You can compare your take profit to what they report at the end of the day. You can compare your stop loss to what they report at the end of the day to know if actually they are transparent, as I said, or they are slipping you to error. And then you can grow up to 50% and scale up to $4 million in demo funds. Also, these are what they offer. These are their services. They have 3 different plans. Pro Challenge that starts with just $48. Okay, and these are what is included there. Leverage up to 100x. News trading not allowed. Obviously, this is good for scalping. All right, when you have a particular account that do not allow news trading and do not allow holding trades over the weekend, then that is scalping. You can do that while scalping. and then up to 95% rewards. 100% challenge fee refunded. Once you pass your evaluation, Hola Prime will definitely refund your money. The second one here is Prime Challenge, suitable for swing traders. Now, if you are not happy with this, just because they don't allow you trade the news or trade over the weekend, that means you are a swing trader, and this is what you should be going for, the Prime Challenge. This is the Pro Challenge, is the most popular, but this one is a Prime Challenge for swing traders. And what do you have here? Leverage up to 30x. News trading is allowed. Weekend trading is allowed. Or let me say weekend holding. Up to 95% reward. 100% challenge fee refunded once you pass the evaluation, be it 1 step or 2 step. I will get to that shortly. Then there's no time limit. No evaluation. Hola Prime account. In this case, this is a direct account. You pay money, you get access to the account. And these are what is included. Leverage up to 30x. Earn reward from day one. Immediately you start making money. No minimum trading days. Up to 90% reward. In this case, 90% is a cap, and there's no time limit, no profit target. This is a more comprehensive view of what they offer in terms of monetary terms. So there is step 1 Pro. In this step 1 Pro is only single evaluation. You are not doing double, it's single. The one that signifies single evaluation. So let's assume a 100k account, and then MetaTrader. Obviously, most people will go for MetaTrader. The account balance will be 100k in USD. Platform is MT5. If you change it, the platform will change here. See trader, and then match trader. It will change. They have 4 trading platforms. Convenient. There are some people that are good with C trader. Most people prefer MT5. Some this and the other match trader. Whatever suits you, select it there. For me, it will be MetaTrader 5. So what do you have here? You have maximum daily loss of 3%, maximum overall loss of 6%. What it means, in a day you don't lose more than 3%, and overall in your account you don't lose more than 6%. And the overall percentage is on your balance. Okay, is on your balance, your 100k. Then your profit target here is 10%, because it's a single evaluation. Your target is 10%. Once you meet the 10%, you have passed the evaluation, and then your money, which is 549, will be refunded to you. And then whatever money you make going forward, you will get 95%. Now this 95% is when you select monthly payout, meaning every month is when you request. It's different from the 1 hour. What it means is that at the end of the month, you want to request your payout. Once you request the payout, within 1 hour they give it to you. Okay, so, but yeah, bi-weekly your percentage share is 80%. What it means is that every 2 weeks you request for payout, and once you request for payout, within 1 hour the company will send you your payout. Then they have weekly. Every week you can be asking for your money, and in this case, once you do that, your percentage share will be 65%, which is still very good in my opinion. And once you click withdrawal, you are going to get your money within 1 hour. And the fee or the price is $5.49 for 100k account. So if you look at 5k is 65, 10k is 120, 25k is 215, 50k is 325, and so on. 300k, you can get up to 300k for a start, which is 1,349. That is for 1-step pro. Now for 2-step evaluations, 2-step pro, they call it 2-step pro with 100k, and let's assume you are picking MetaTrader. The platform is MetaTrader. Daily loss here has increased to 5% now. The maximum loss is 8%. So your profit target is 8 and 5. 8 for the first evaluation, 5% for the second evaluation. So at the end of the month, still the same here, and the price here is $4.99. This is for 2-step pro. This is for the scalper. Now if you're a swing trader, you come here. Don't go to pro, come to prime. one step evaluation challenge for Prime for 100k is 649. These are the features there. 3% daily loss, 6% overall. Profit target is 10. The same thing with the one step pro. The fee is different. Yeah, with $649. And once you can request weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. The fee is still the same thing. You're not paying additional fee for asking for weekly withdrawal. Instead, you just have a lower percentage share. That's all. Now, if you look at two-step for Prime, two-step Prime, the fee is $5.99. And what do you have here? Daily loss of 5%, maximum loss of 8%. Your target is 8 and 5. Everything remains the same. Price is $5.99. All right, and then you can choose any of this platform, and you can pick payout requests. How frequent do you want to be asking for payout? Weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly? The most popular is monthly. And then the last one here is direct account. Direct account of 100k, for example, is 2811. In this case, there is no target. All you need to do is to keep this as low as possible, 3% and 5%. For 5k is 161. That means with 161 25 cents, you can have a 5k live account and start trading and make money. For 10k, you can have, for 10k account, 293.75. You can use that to get a live 10k without any evaluation, and you start earning money from day one. For 25k is over 700, and for 50k is 1,436.25. Okay, so this is beautiful. And if you look at it, they also have a backtesting FX replay strategy for you. You can backtest your trading strategy with FX replay. All right, this is cool to know if your strategy is actually working or not. All right, and then there are 3 different steps. Take the challenge, get Hola Prime, get rewarded, as you can see there. All right, for me, this is awesome, and I would like you to quickly take advantage of this. Apart from that, I'm so much happy with this, and they have different payment partners: Gmail, GPay, Apple Pay, PayPal, AstroPay, bank transfer, coin payment, and they pay through cryptocurrency as well. Okay, so this is beautiful. And you can start by joining the Discord and they ask more questions about it. You can use the link in the description to start earning money with Hola Prime. So here's the bottom line: Hola Prime isn't just another prop firm chasing trends. They are building something real, something transparent, and something that actually put traders first. Fast payout in under an hour, daily report showing you everything, one-on-one coaching to help you grow, and regulation that gives you peace of mind. Look, I've seen a lot of prop firms come and go, but this one is different. If you are serious about trading and you want to grow with a firm that actually supports you, then Hola Prime might just be your next move. I've dropped the link below. Check it out for yourself, do your due diligence, and if it makes sense to you, make that move. Your trading journey deserves better, and Hola Prime might just be the upgrade you have been waiting for. If you want to learn my method of trading so that you can use that to pass your funding or your evaluation phase, watch this video.